Ready to blend your way to the perfect kitchen tool? Let's dive into the blender battle of the year, Ninja Pro XL versus Oster 1200 versus Vitamix E310. First up, the Ninja Blender Pro XL with a powerful 1000 watt motor and a whopping 72 ounce pitcher. It's a beast for smoothies, soups and crushing ice. It's easy to clean and built to last, but it can be noisy and has basic controls. Next, the Oster Pro 1200. It packs a punch with a 200 watt motor and dual direction blades for smooth blending. Plus, it comes with a food processor attachment. However, its 48 ounce pitcher might not be enough for big batches. Finally, the Vitamix E130. Known for exceptional performance and a durable 2.0 GP motor, it offers precise control with variable speed settings. But it's pricey and a bit heavy. So which one suits you best? For big families and ice crushing, go Ninja. So need versatility on a budget? Oster's your pick. And want premium quality? Vitamix all the way. Happy blending. Easy as